Come at me!
Oh! Careful consideration and quiet reflection?
What?
Piece of cake. Ha!
Oh!
Come on!
Let's go!
Who did this to me? Hey, get me out of here, dog. What are you doing to my boots?
Sorry, got a jet.
Get your muzzle out of there, you flea bag. Get me out of here.
Oh no!
Don't be looking at me like that, you stupid mutts. Easy there. Sit. Sit!
Ah!
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Oh! Well...
Stop! Stop that!
Mission complete!
You're off your game, Fox.
I give up! Please! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody!
All right!
Yay!
Come on!
Let's go!
Yes, Granny.
No, Granny. She's a creepy zombie who likes to lock players in her house and hit them with her baseball bat to death. That's it. You're extremely grounded. Go to your room right now. Bye!